Hey guys, today I'm going to try this easy ube pancake cereal recipe that I saw. And here are my ingredients. This is some ready-made pancake mix, some milk, some fresh ube halaya, and ube flavoring. And as for the pancake mix, you don't have to use this one. Use what your favorite. This is my favorite, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to start off with 1 cup of pancake mix. Add that to my bowl. Two-thirds cup of milk of your choice. I'm using low-fat milk. You may need more if you're using the ube halaya. 1 to 2 teaspoons of ube flavoring. 1/3 cup of the ube halaya. Again, this is optional. Give that a mix. Now we're gonna melt some butter in our pan. And right when we do that, we're gonna use one of these sandwich baggies to put our batter in and just spoon it in. Cut one corner and make sure it's not too big, that way your mini pancakes come out the right size. You want about a quarter size pancake. Don't make them too big. Try not to overcrowd your pan because they'll stick together. Trust me, that happened to me, as you can see. And you're gonna repeat the process. Once they look dry at the top, you're gonna go ahead and flip them. And I found using a fork was much easier than using a spatula, since I was struggling with the spatula because these are really tiny. Once you're done, we're going to go ahead and put those in a bowl. Top it off with some butter and pancake syrup or honey, whatever your preference. And there you go. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.